Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress plugins. First, navigate to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. You can easily search for new plugins directly from the directory or upload a plugin file you've downloaded. Once you find the desired plugin, simply click Install Now. This process usually takes just a few moments, adding powerful new features to your site with minimal effort. Once a plugin is installed, the next crucial step is activation. After clicking Activate, the plugin's features become live on your site. Many plugins introduce a new menu item or a dedicated settings page where you can customize their behavior. Take a few minutes to explore these options and tailor them to your website's unique requirements, ensuring you save any changes you make. Maintaining your plugins is vital for a secure and efficient website. Always keep your plugins updated to benefit from the latest security patches and new features. You can easily check for available updates within the plugins area of your dashboard. Furthermore, deactivate any plugins you are no longer using to prevent potential conflicts and improve your site's overall performance. Consider deleting truly unused plugins to keep your system tidy. To ensure a smooth experience, always select plugins from trusted sources, such as the official WordPress plugin directory. Before installing, take a moment to read user reviews and verify compatibility with your WordPress version. It's a smart practice to back up your entire website before installing or making significant changes to any plugin. For critical sites, consider testing new plugin on a staging environment first to avoid any live site disruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.